Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're looking at the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, an upright deep cleaner built to tackle the messes that come with owning pets. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills or those unexpected accidents, this vacuum promises to deliver professional-grade cleaning for your carpets and upholstery. But does it live up to its claims? Let's dive into the details and see if it's the right fit for your home. The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus comes packed with features designed to help pet owners get their carpets and furniture looking spotless. This vacuum boasts dual DirtLifter PowerBrushes that provide double the scrubbing action, which means it's made to tackle deeply embedded dirt and stains. The CleanShot Pretreater with Oxy technology is another standout, promising to eliminate tough pet stains like urine and even skunk odors. Plus, the included FreshStart Odor Protection system helps keep your machine fresh while preventing future odors from building up. Let's talk power. The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution is equipped with a turbo-strength motor, delivering solid suction performance while remaining relatively quiet. This is a big win if you're sensitive to noise but still need that deep clean. Whether you're in max clean mode for deep cleaning or express clean mode to get carpets dry in around 30 minutes, this machine is designed to fit into your schedule. The express clean mode is especially helpful if you're in a rush or need to quickly clean up after a pet. Another feature worth noting is the 2-in-1 Pet Upholstery Tool and the 8-foot hose. These tools help you clean a variety of surfaces, from upholstery and pet beds to stairs and even your car's interior. If you're dealing with tough embedded stains or pet hair, these tools have got you covered. BISSELL even includes their Pro Max Clean Protect formula, which works alongside the machine's cleaning capabilities to remove stains and eliminate odors, as well as the Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula for those tougher messes like cat urine. In terms of maintenance, BISSELL made it easy with the Easy 1PC removable brush roll cover, allowing you to clean the dual DirtLifter PowerBrushes with minimal effort. Keeping the brush rolls clean is crucial, especially when you're dealing with pet hair, and this feature ensures that the machine stays in top shape over time. When it comes to performance, I tested this vacuum on a variety of surfaces. On carpets, it worked impressively, lifting embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. It did particularly well in max clean mode, leaving the carpet looking fresh and deeply cleaned. The express clean mode is great for lighter cleans, leaving carpets dry in just about 30 minutes. On hard floors, the vacuum transitioned smoothly, but I did find that the brush rolls can scatter some debris if you're not careful, so I recommend a slow, steady pass for the best results. The attachments, particularly the Pet Upholstery Tool and Tough Stain Tool, really came through for me. Cleaning stairs was a breeze, and the 8-foot hose gave me plenty of reach for furniture and hard-to-reach areas. The Tough Stain Tool in particular was a game changer for lifting stains on upholstery. It's powerful but gentle enough to not damage delicate fabrics. The machine did an excellent job on pet hair, which is something that many vacuums struggle with, but BISSELL's design handled it well. Now let's talk about the cons. The first thing to note is the weight. This vacuum is on the heavier side compared to lightweight stick vacuums or handheld models, which might be a concern if you have a lot of stairs or need to carry it around frequently. While it's certainly manageable for most people, it could be a drawback for some. Additionally, while the turbo motor is powerful, it can get a bit warm with extended use, especially in max clean mode. This didn't cause any major issues during my testing, but it's something to keep in mind if you plan to clean for long periods. Another minor issue I ran into was with the hose. While it's long enough to reach various surfaces, I found it could be a bit cumbersome when cleaning large areas. It can also feel a little awkward when you're using the upholstery tool, especially when the hose is fully extended. In terms of value for money, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus sits in the mid to high price range for upright deep cleaners. Considering the features it offers, like the powerful suction, dual brushes, and pet-specific tools, it's a solid investment for pet owners or those who deal with tough stains regularly. However, if you're someone who doesn't need heavy-duty cleaning or doesn't have pets, you might want to look for a more budget-friendly option. Comparing it to other vacuums in this range, the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is a similar model that also targets pet owners, with a smaller design and lower price. While it doesn't have the dual brushes or the powerful motor of the Bissell, it still delivers solid results for lighter cleaning tasks. On the other hand, if you want something even more heavy-duty, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional might be a good alternative. It offers strong suction, especially for larger homes, and includes similar attachments, but it's a bit heavier and lacks the specific pet-related features the Bissell offers. In terms of build quality, this vacuum feels solid, with durable plastics and well-made connections between parts. The removable brush roll cover is a nice touch, making maintenance easy. The suction power remains strong throughout cleaning, but you'll want to stay on top of maintaining the brush rolls, especially if you have long pet hair. The FreshStart Dirt Tank is also a great feature, as it helps reduce odors from building up inside the vacuum itself. If you're concerned about long-term reliability, Bissell has a good track record with their products, and this model looks promising in terms of durability, especially for those who need it for heavy-duty use. The motor and brush rolls are built to last, but be sure to keep an eye on filter replacements and regular cleaning to avoid any drop in performance over time. When it comes to customer support, Bissell's service has a reputation for being responsive and helpful. Many users report positive experiences when it comes to warranty handling and troubleshooting. It's always good to know that the brand has a solid support system in case you need it. To wrap up, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus is an excellent choice for pet owners or anyone dealing with stubborn stains. Its powerful suction, specialized pet tools, and dual brush system make it highly effective on both carpets and upholstery. It's not the lightest vacuum on the market, but for the performance it delivers, it's worth considering if you need a deep cleaner that can handle the messes pets leave behind. The price point is fair given the features, and while it's not the best fit for every user, it certainly excels for those with specific cleaning needs. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up this vacuum, check the comments box for the link. Let me know if you've used it before or if you have any questions about how it works in real-world scenarios. Until next time, happy cleaning, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest reviews. Goodbye till next time. Keep your home as fresh as a pet's clean coat.